Question 3 is a logic question, and so they give us our two propositions. I have a bowl of soup and I have ice cream, and they want you to write down in words this compound proposition, which is not P. If not P, then Q, and we write it just as we read it. So if not P, I do not have a bowl of soup, then I have ice cream. Your 2 marks in this case are going to be having the words if and then the second mark will be having not a bowl of soup and ice cream in the correct positions. Then they asked you to complete the truth table, and the first column is what is not P, so the inverse of P, so false, false, true, true, just making these the opposite of P. And then they want you to make the if-then comparison with not P and Q, and a reminder, this is false only when you have a true-false condition, meaning the first statement here is true and the second statement is false. That will lead to an if-then proposition being false. So this is my first proposition, this is my second, and I'm looking for when it says true, false, to mark false. Nope, no, true and true, that's okay. True and false, this is my one case where this statement is false, so I can go back and mark all of the first 3 as being true, and the last one as being false. And then the last question down here at the bottom, write in symbolic form the converse of not P, then Q, and let me just write C up here. So that's the statement. They want the converse, and the converse is simply taking these 2 and switching them around. So the converse is if Q, then not P. Again, you are going to have to remember what we do when we have converse, inverse, and contrapositive. And that's it for the logic question.